In this tutorial, I'll share with you how to add filters and calculate stock portfolio gains and losses in Microsoft Excel. A lot of times, you need to filter stock data, calculate total value of your portfolio, and calculate profit and loss in Excel. We're working with a pre-built stock tracker that includes ticker symbols, company names, number of shares owned, purchase prices, and live current prices from the stock market. Now, we're going to take a step further and answer a core business question. What is my total portfolio value and overall profit and loss? We will also add filters to easily sort or focus on specific stocks. This step turns a basic tracker into a functional reporting tool you can use daily. Let's first enable filters. To do it, let's highlight the header and then navigate in the Home tab into Sort and Filter and then select Filter. You see that the drop-down option appeared, and now we can select specific company or groups of companies. For example, I selected Amazon and Apple, and now you can see that filter shows only Amazon and Apple's data. Filters make it easy to analyze large data sets and quickly spot trends, like which stocks are underperforming. Adding filter also allows you to sort the data. Let me demonstrate. I'm going to remove the current filter by selecting all the companies, and if I would like to sort based on the current price, and choose Sort Smallest to Largest. I can do the opposite as well and sort largest to smallest. This sorts our list based on the current price. In the next step, let's calculate total portfolio value. To accomplish this, let's add another column. We'll click on the existing column and select Insert New Column. We'll call this new column Total Value. To calculate total value, we need to multiply number of shares owned by the current price. For example, total value of Microsoft stock is $13,709.93. Let's expand this selection to all of our stocks. And now we can calculate total portfolio value. We'll put the cursor right under the total value column, select Sum, and hit Enter. And the total value of our portfolio is $37,690.51. In the next step, let's calculate total profit and loss. To do this, I'm going to hide the column B. This way, gain and loss column appears and we can see it on the screen. And I am going to sum up all the values for all the stocks of our gains and losses. To do this, I'm going to put the cursor into cell G7, select Sum, and hit Enter. Our total loss is $2,884.49. Please consider subscribing to this channel. Skills that you learn here will be helpful for you now and also in the future. You will also have an opportunity to help other people by answering their questions and helping them solve their challenges. If this video was helpful, consider giving it a big thumbs up. This tells us that you need more content like this and we'll deliver to you in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.